everybody, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you are not new. I didn't know what I just said. Anyways, in this video today that I'm filming right now, I am going to be deep cleaning my room, organizing my room, getting my shit together. My room is actually a mess right now, but I will admit it's not as messy as it usually is, because like I cleaned it yesterday, but then it's just a friggin' pigsty again. No surprise there, no surprise at all. But I'm basically going to be trying to make everything look cute and presentable. I'm not presenting it to anybody, it's just for myself to feel at ease and motivated and just productive with my life, okay? There probably will be a lot of what are they called, time lapses in this video, maybe. I don't know, I don't friggin' know what's gonna happen, okay? We're just gonna get to it and just hopefully I get this done, because usually when I deep clean my room I usually do like half of it and I'm like really motivated, and then the next half I'm just like, yeah, I don't really care anymore. So anyways, I'm talking so much right now and let's get into it.
Don't be so lazy, get out and clean your room. What are you doing?
Get up!
Get up and clean your room. Room. Don't be so lazy, get up and clean your room.
My first, oh my god, that is not cute. Hey. So I think I'm gonna start with my wardrobe and just like getting rid of all the stuff in my wardrobe, because I have so much unnecessary stuff that I really just don't need. I'm gonna start with the top, because half of all this is just crap, and I have all my shoes just chucked in down there, which is just a nightmare. I have bin bags here for all the rubbish, because trust me, there will be a lot. Okay, so now I'm up to the second drawer, the second crate thing. I'm gonna do this one as stationery stuff and like books and that. Oh crap. So I'm also gonna make a pile of like stuff that I think my sisters would want. So I'm gonna put this pile over here. Ugh. Why the hell do I have a light bulb? I'm so confused. Okay, so now I've done the second drawer, which is looking very empty. This is like all the stationery stuff. Look how much rubbish I have already. That is literally full, and I've only done 2 of these things. I'm gonna get this one out as well, and if there's anything left over, I'm gonna just chuck it in here, because there's still like a lot of space left. So yes, I'm feeling very productive. I'm very excited for this to be done with, because then my room will feel clean. Because you know when you like deep clean your room and you're just like sleeping at night, you just can feel the cleanness. Yes, that does not make sense, but right, yeah. Look at this life hack I just made. I literally just got a clothes hanger and attached all the hats to it that have the clips, and then the ones that don't have the clips, I just put them on the top. Oh my god, I've done the top row. It looks so good. So 1 crate, 2 crates that are nice and clean, and the third one which is nice and clean. So this one is just hats and just a bunch of random stuff that I just don't know where to put. This one is literally just boxes that I don't want to chuck out, and then I have my skincare products and stationery in this drawer. I'm officially done. I'm finished. Let me give you a quick little overview. My drawers here, my desk over there, my bed with my bedside tables that are very clean, and then my cleaned, organized wardrobe, which is amazing. Whew. Oh my god, I feel like so clean right now. Like I feel like I've been so productive. Like whoa bruh. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will hopefully most likely see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
Run that video like a track me. Give me the pack and I might take that. She got a fatty, I might take that. Give me your addy, we pullin' it to your bed and then we gon' put it to red and we go click clap.